So hi everyone, my new book Launching in Your Pocket, Beginner's Guide to Building Gen AI Applications Using LLMs is out now on Amazon. The book is already a bestseller. As you can see, it is trending on hash 3 on Amazon bestsellers. So go grab your copies and find the link in the description below. Thank you. So hi everyone, today I will be demonstrating how you can use Ollama with Python. So in my previous video, I have already demonstrated how Ollama is useful for running local LLMs in your local system without requiring any internet and eventually just one line of code. But that was more into the CMD. But if you wish to integrate Ollama, if you wish to get LLM responses into your Python code, in that case, the steps that I would be taking would be a little different. I think it's very easy. So just again a one line of code only. So first of all, you need to pip install the package Ollama that is present in Python, as you can see. Secondly, do remember that you need to have your Ollama running in the background. So as you can see here, my Ollama instance is already running. So if it is not running, do make sure that your Ollama instance is running. As you can see at my cursor, there is the Ollama instance that is running in the background. Once you ensure that and you have pip install Ollama, you can use the function ollama.generate, name the model that is available into your local system. For me, Llama 2 is available. If it is not available, it will internally download it, so it will take a lot of time, and give you a prompt as this: why is the sky blue? So eventually you can see that I've got a response. The sky appears blue because of a phenomena called as Rayleigh scattering and all that stuff, and a lot of other information also. So basically, the output that I'm getting is a dictionary that is coming out. So to get your exact output, you need to read the response from the dictionary that is getting returned. I'm not rerunning this in front of you because inferencing local LLMs takes a lot of time, and eventually, this generating this particular output took me nearly around 5 to 10 minutes, and hence I'm skipping this. But do try it out and